Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Inspiron 15 from the 7000 gaming series of or by Dell. Wrapped up and ready to game. 15-inch gaming laptop. Wow, this rocks. It is powered with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics and the latest 7th generation Intel quad-core CPU. In this laptop is built in a 7th generation Intel Core i5 7300HQ quad-core. Oh, these are awesome values, as you can see. Windows 10 Home, 64-bit, 8 gig, DDR4, 2400 MHz, up to 32 GB RAM is available for this laptop. It has a 128 GB solid-state drive for booting, plus 1 TB, 5,400 rounds per minute hard drive. This is for storage. The display is 15.6 inches, and it is a nice and beautiful laptop. You will see this in a short moment. And the processor is fast, the Windows 10 is good, the memory is of course overpowered if you go up to 32 GB, and the hard drive with a SSD boot device is awesome, really fast. And the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 with 6 GB GDDR5 graphic memory is wow, awesome. And the design, as you can see, it's black finish. It's black finish. It has 2 heat pipes on the back side, and there are some red little signs like Dell on the top, and on the back side there's a bit of red. This looks cool. It has 2-time tune speakers, audio processing by Waves Max Audio Pro, 1 combo headphone, microphone jack. It has an integrated widescreen HD 720p webcam with dual array digital microphone. It has 1 HDMI 2.0 port, 3 times super speed USB 3.1 generation 1 tube A, included 1 with PowerShare port, 1 Thunderbolt, 3 ports USB 3.1 generation 2 Type C, with supported for 40 GB per second Thunderbolt and display port. This is the back side of the device, and as you can see, it's a really good shape. Nice rubber on the bottom side. The feet are really good designed. It looks high quality. The height is 0.98 inches. The wide is 15.32 inches, and the deep is 10.82 inches. It weighs about 2.65 kilograms, and it has no touch. It is fast, really fast. Wireless is 802.11 AC plus, Bluetooth 4.2, and it has a primary battery with 56 watt-hours. This is a 4-cell battery. It's integrated, and it's really good. It's a 15-inch display, and you are able to play all kind of good games. Maybe not the newest in the over high super settings, but it's enough to play with this awesome Dell laptop. So many different games, and it's quiet. It's really quiet. If you have a running process light game, the vans are in a medium range of hearing that, and the temperature is not so high really. If you're playing this device, it has some hot areas, of course, at the backside, but because of the 2 head pipes in in this machine, the air is going down and going to the backside of the device and back to nature. Look at this, nice and easy process. It has there is a power button, and this is a keyboard. Oh yeah, it's a QWERTY keyboard. This is a mouse pad. It's one flat thing. It doesn't have two buttons, but the buttons are included. There are some informations for gaming. It's Inspiron 15 device, and it's really, you are ready to have some game experience with this awesome device. I think this Inspiron gaming laptop will be available with i7 too, but in this case it's an i5. This is hard enough, as you can see. Really, the keyboard is nice. You can push it, and the keyboard is backlight, and as it is so nice, really nice product, easy to use, and not so hard expensive. Really, it comes to you under $1,000. This is for this high quality and fast laptop. Not so expensive, I think so. And it has modern technology, a complete sensor experience. It is next level graphics. It has a superior sound, really. Unparalleled viewing experience. Nice laptop, nice LCD display. It's game with style, a smarter airflow. That's right. Keyboard crafted with precision. Of course, yes. It is a good laptop, and let's get to gaming this. This is high quality, as you can see. Superior connection, clutter-free connective, engineered to game strong. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Thun thun.